In this section, we work with functions. The first step, as usual, is to create a folder. And in this folder, I'll have an index.html file. I'll use the Emmet plugin that was installed through brackets to quickly create some boilerplate, right? I'll maybe leave the title as week 2, and I can use the live preview feature here by going to File and clicking Live Preview. So up here, you can see that the preview comes up and we have a title here. And we won't be using a lot of the interface yet. We will firstly focus on working with the developer tools. And one way to access them is by clicking this nice looking signal here and saying More Tools, and finally Developer Tools. Okay, so first step is towards the bottom of the file, we shall put the script tag, which takes a source attribute, and in that source attribute we shall have our file app.js. And when we refresh and we go into our sources bar, you'll see that we have our 2 files here. They do nothing yet, so let's start off. Now, the first way of creating a function is you could use an anonymous function, and then you would literally attach the function to a variable like hello, basically naming this function. Functions are known as first-class objects, so they can be named like that. So let's say hello world. Then when we save and refresh, we see there's a hello world here. Now we can go over to a console, then we can type hello, the name of this function, and we can press enter, and finally we have output. The second way to create a function is to actually name the function directly, and we'll give it another name. Let's call it hello version 2, and in here we can have our console log, the hello world text goes in here, and that's it. When you refresh and type hello v2, that works. A third way that's sometimes used is we can have a self-invoking function. So you can start off by declaring an anonymous function and then say I am self-invoking, which just means that I will be called by myself, right? So right now it does nothing. Yeah, in fact, plenty of things are expected of it. Line 13, not expecting stuff, right? So what you can do is we encapsulate this function inside of parentheses, and when we refresh, we will see the word I am self-invoking. So these are some styles of declaring functions.